This plant is so alive with action right now. The bees are just seriously doing their job. I mean, if you're quiet, you can hear them all. Meanwhile, I'm getting bit by a mosquito. Ow.